What do you mean by GOPATH and GOROOT? Or what is the difference between GOPATH and GOROOT? Or explain GOPATH and GOROOT. Many times people get confused while answering these questions during GoLang interviews. Let's clear the confusion once and for all and learn how to answer it correctly. GoPath is a variable that defines the root of your workspace directory. GoPath stores your code base and all the files that are necessary for your development. If the environment variable is unset, GoPath defaults to a subdirectory named Go in the user's home directory. For example, on Windows, default GoPath will be c:/users/user profile/go. On Linux, default GoPath will be home/go. However, you can use another directory as your workspace by configuring GoPath for different scopes. You can inspect current GoPath on your machine by using following command: go env GoPath. For example, on my Windows machine, the GoPath is c:/users/rahul_patil1/go. On my Linux machine, the GoPath is /home/rahulspa/go. As we stated earlier, GoPath is the root of your workspace and contains following folders. src. This is where your Go source code files live. For example, files with extensions .go, .c, .g, .s, etc. pkg. This is where the compiled library packages live. For example, files with extension .a. bin. This is where the compiled executable programs built by Go live. GoRoot is a variable that defines where your Go SDK or Go software development kit is located. GoRoot is for compiler and for the tools that come from Go installation. It is used by Go to find the standard libraries. It should always be set to the installation directory. In order to check the current Go root, enter the following command: go env go root. For example, on my Windows machine, go root is c:/program/file/go. On my Linux machine, go root is /user/local/go.